IELTS Speaking Part 2 and Part 3. Part 2. Describe someone you know who often helps others. You should say, who is this person? How often does this person help others? What genre was the movie? How does this person help others? When did you watch it? Why does this person help others? Explain why it is ideal to you.
We live in a world that is full of people with different natures and attitudes. Some individuals find joy in achieving success, while others find bliss in helping others. Today, I would like to talk about one such person whose life motto is to help others and fight for human rights. His name is Prabhlak Singh. He is in his early 30s and is tall and handsome. He has graduated in computers and works with an IT company. But after his work hours, he takes on the role of a superhero, where his mission is to help as many people as possible. He is also the founder of a human rights organization called Middle Finger Protests. His journey for human rights and causes started when he was very young. He helped bring justice for the family of an air hostess who was murdered in a bar by an influential person. Even though he received many threats to his life, he continued his protests to fight for justice. His role was also portrayed in a movie called No One Killed Jessica. Similarly, he has led various other protests to bring justice to other victims. He also engages in a lot of charity and social work by organizing free food stalls and distributing clothes to the needy. He has been awarded at the national and international level for his contribution to humanitarian causes. He has also represented India as an ambassador for human rights at the United Nations headquarters in New York. The best thing about him is that he is not afraid to fight for the right cause, even if he has to make many sacrifices. He is an inspiration for today's generation. When I talk about him, I feel motivated that I should also give back to society.
Part 3. Follow-up questions. Do people nowadays help others more than in the past?
There have always been helpful people in every era, and they have used the means available to them to help others in need. However, I believe that people now have more means and resources to help others due to advancements in technology, which wasn't possible in the past.
Who should teach children to help others, parents or teachers?
Both parents and teachers share the responsibility of ensuring that children learn to help others. Parents should serve as role models, and teachers can incorporate lessons and activities in schools to instill this value in children.
In what kind of professions do people help others more?
I believe that people in all professions have the opportunity to help others, either directly or indirectly through their products and services. However, those working in social/community service fields, such as NGOs promoting child education, women empowerment, and other social issues, often have more direct involvement in helping others.
Why are some people willing to help others?
People who are empathetic, sensitive, and compassionate are more willing to help others. These values are often instilled in them by their parents, teachers, and other influential figures during their upbringing.